realizing that new Ford emblem is not the same fit as the OEM. So this is most likely for an older model F150. Now I'll still be able to put it on there with the adhesive, but this one is, as you guys can tell, probably this one's smaller than the OEM. But it's okay, because I'm gonna have my buddy Shane wrap this anyhow. But we'll put this on for now. I'm still very, very grateful for whoever it was who sent me this in the mail. It still looks great though. It's exactly what I wanted. The Ford oval in black, and then the actual Ford lettering in chrome. I think it looks great. Although it's not a perfect fit, but yeah. Just gonna roll with it. And then confessions of a guy that is impatient. So I did actually manage to scratch the paint a little bit here. Yeah, what I used was this is a hard plastic. I guess this is probably what caused a little scratch there. I used a screwdriver as well, but wrapped in this microfiber towel. So yeah, that is definitely something that's gonna bug the shit out of me. But now off to some better news. We've got another package in the mail, and it is again from 4x4truckleds.com. So to match the LED projector headlights that we installed last time, we now have some LED projector fog lights as well. However, we're not going to be installing that in this video. We did, however, also get LED replacement bulbs for the license plate lights and also the third brake light. So once again, man, I gotta give a shout out to 4x4truckleds.com. A big thanks to them for sending me all this stuff. Now for anyone that is interested in some LED lighting for your own vehicle, make sure you check out their website at 4x4truckleds.com, and if you choose to pick something up, use the promo code AutoVlog and you get 10% off your purchase. And I'm sorry I haven't formally said hello and welcome to another video on the AutoVlog YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing absolutely fantastic today. So what we're gonna do right now is replace these license plate light bulbs with LED bulbs. And this is so simple that yes, I can actually do this myself. First we'll take a look at these lights here. So yeah, pretty boring lighting here, so we're just gonna remove these bolts right away. And as we jump underneath the truck here, see right there, boom shakalaka. First one out. One in. Okay, so we got the left one in. Right one is still the OEM bulb, so we'll see the difference here. Oh yeah, that's huge. Look how white that is versus that. Yellow and dirty looking. Let's get the second one in. So what I noticed is when you remove it, you can just stick your arm underneath here. Just turn counterclockwise. And you can just pull it out right here. Pull the bulb out. You don't have to crawl underneath like I did on the first one. I'll put the other, there it is. Yep, it's working. Let's see if I can put it in without crawling underneath. Almost. I think I have to get under the truck apron. Simple. Oh yeah. That looks awesome. Now I'll get a night shot of this later on tonight for you guys to see, of course. Now, as you guys probably understand already, any modification that you guys see me do on any of my vehicles, it means that if I can do it, you can definitely do it. It is super simple. Let's move on to the brake light. So we just got a couple screws here. We'll loosen them, replace the bulbs, finito. Wait, maybe we should check the lighting first so we can do a nice comparison. Well, you can see the parking lights at least, but not the brake light. There you have it. It is amazing. I mean, yeah, it's summer and it's warm, but it's only like 75 degrees today, and I'm sweating my ass off from removing a couple bolts and taking out some screws. So this is extremely simple as well. We get 3 housings, just replace the bulbs, and we should be golden. And by the way, maybe I didn't mention, the bulbs are actually Krista Lux that I'm using. I love the headlight ones that we put on already, so these should be excellent. Why are these always like frickin' Fort Knox? I hate that. So we'll start with the brake light. Same thing here, just pull it out. There we go, simple. Put the new one in. Again, if I can do this, anyone can. Stupid easy, it even makes me feel smart. All right, so daylight check for the parking lights. Ooh, what? Man, that looks really, really good. I can't wait to see him at nighttime. But next up, brake light. Wrong pedal. Oh my god, I can't believe I hit the wrong pedal. I was gonna hit the brake pedal, I hit the gas pedal. Thank god it's daytime, that was loud. I mean, if you follow my channel, you know I don't work on my cars a whole lot. I haven't really done that. And that's because I've never really been handy. But I want to, however, become good and work on my own cars. So that's why I'm at least trying. Now, one thing that I sort of know how to do at least is clean my cars. And the AMG, believe it or not, has not been washed in probably 3 weeks, which is pretty much a world record. So today is actually perfect weather too. It's cloudy, sun's not shining, and the beast needs a bath. Now I've probably done a million car wash videos on this channel, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with that today. However, if you're interested in knowing how I wash my cars inside and out, I'll link the videos down in the description below. We will, however, of course, have a cold start. Somewhat of a cold start. I drove it about an hour ago. Dirty wheel, clean wheel. Enough of that montage, although I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I know I told you guys that I was going to turn the new LED brake lights and the parking lights and all that stuff on when it was dark, but I keep forgetting that it's summer and it doesn't get dark at 4 p.m. anymore. And if I wait till it's dark just to show you guys those lights, I won't be able to get the video up in time, and then it's too late and da da da. So how about we start the next video with these new parking lights. However, it is shade here now, so yeah, you can see it a little better. Yeah, it looks good. I'm very happy with it. It's such a difference. Now remember, there is a lot to come on the F-150. We got a new front bumper coming, we got lift kit, we got wheels. It's just a waiting game, that's all it is. Now we got trips scheduled as well coming up here with the AMG and with the truck. We got Car Week coming up as well, although that is a few months out. So there's a lot to look forward to on the channel. I do hope you guys enjoyed this upload. If you did, you know what to do. You know what? Before we end this video, maybe we have time to scare some kids. Sydney and her little friend swimming. But with that, we're gonna end this video. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.